Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell for more upcoming DIY future videos. For this DIY, I'll be creating wall sconces using straws, crushed glass, and Dollar Tree materials. If you would like to find out what I created, just continue watching. For my first DIY, I'll be starting off with clear straws that I ordered from Amazon. Next, I'll be using foam board and I cut a piece to size. Next, I took my ruler and I drew a straight line in the center. I needed a 2.5 inch circle in the center, so I'll be using this lid. I'll be working around the circle. For the remainder of this DIY, I'll be using my strongest glue sticks. Next, I'll apply hot glue on the straight line on top and on the bottom, and then I'll glue on my straws. Next, I took one straw and I placed it next to it, and then I placed a marking where I'm going to cut, and then I'm going to take 4 straws and cut them all the same size. As I glue them on, they will stagger on their own. I'll be repeating all the same steps with the marking, cutting, and gluing until I'm done with the entire base. And as a reminder, as I'm cutting the straws, they will stagger. Next, I'll be using chopping mats, and they come 2 in a pack, but I'll only be using 1. Next, I'll take my ruler and I'll take my measurement and I'll cut 2 pieces to size, and then I'll glue them both together to make it much stronger. Next, I'll apply hot glue around the edges on both sides, and then I'll glue them on the edge of the base towards the center. Next, I'll repeat the same steps with drawing a line on top of the chopping mat, and I'll be taking my measurements. Next, I'll be repeating the same steps with the clear straws on top of the chopping mat, and I'll be cutting and gluing as I go. I will continue the same steps following the line. I have enough room to insert the lighting and change the batteries when needed. Next, I'll be using metallic gold straws that I ordered from Amazon, and I'll be repeating the same steps with the cutting and gluing. Just for FYI, cutting of the size of the straws will depend on you on how big you want your wall sconces to be. I'll also be using some metallic silver straws that I ordered from Amazon, and I'll be using them as is in the center, and I'll be cutting some to fit inside the gold area. For my second DIY, I'll be repeating all the same steps. I took foam board and cut it into a square because I'll be using it in a diamond shape, and I already placed my line and my circle in the center. I'll be using my clear straws, and I'll be placing 4 straws on each point. Next, I'll use the metallic gold straws, and I'll be using 6, and I cut them to size, and then I'll be gluing them around the spaces. It's kind of hard to give sizes of the cut straws because this will depend on how big you want your wall sconce to be if you decide to recreate this project. Next, I'll continue the same steps with the silver straws, and I'll be gluing them in between the spaces of the clear straws. I'll be gluing on clear straws in between the gold ones. Next, I took chopping mat and I cut it to size, and then I form it into a circle and I glued it together, and then I'll be gluing it in the center. I drew a line in the center, and I'll be repeating the same steps with the clear straws, the gold, and the silver. If you like this DIY video, please give me a thumbs up and share. It really helps me out a lot and it lets me know that you enjoy videos like this. Next, I'll be using clear school glue, a sponge brush, and crushed glass. I'll start by applying the school glue in the center and then I'll smooth it out using my sponge brush. I don't want an even center, so I'm just going to spread it out to give it an ombre effect. Next, I'll be using the crushed glass and I'll apply it on top, and I'll keep repeating all the same steps until I'm done. And for FYI, I repeated the same steps on the second wall sconce. And to hang them on the wall, I use command strips. And for lighting, I use one LED remote touch light for each wall sconce and glued it inside. I'm really loving the way these wall sconces turned out, and what I love the most is all the shimmering and glam that it'll bring into that wall in your home. And who will ever figure out that these were made by using straws? And let's not forget the beautiful and stunning lighting. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy both DIYs as much as I enjoy creating them. Now don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bells for more upcoming future videos. I'll see you on my next DIY upload.